All right, so welcome back to this trading session. So this is my latest trades. As you can see, guys, I'm trying to reach $100,000 trading binary options on IQ option with my own trading strategy. So those who are interested in learning my trading strategy, you can do it through our course. And by the way, the access to the first chapter from our course is totally for free. So let's open the first sell position. So I believe that the market will create a red candle, and I will try to take some advantage of this clear market. I love this kind of market, and as usual, I am using my own trading strategy. I only use four indicators, so Bollinger Bands, MACD, Parabolic SAR, and RSI, and I use my own price action methods. So the strategy that I'm using is explained in my course. So the link to my course is in the description below, or you can go directly to the link learnthestrategy.com/free. All right, you don't have to enter your email informations or personal informations. Just go there and start learning immediately. Um, yeah. So, guys, what I wanted to talk about today is timing. So timing matters that more than you think, especially when trading binary options. So different time frames require different strategies. Like what works in 1 minute charts won't beautiful. Great. So I guess next the market will create. So let me just um yeah. This one was beautiful, clear and simple. This one is also beautiful, clear and simple, but I guess we will see a green candle. So the market, yeah. So I missed this one, and I don't think that. So let's buy, let's go high, and yeah, I believe that we will win this one. The next one will be a green candle, and I'll be winning. Beautiful. We are already at the win zone. So as I was saying, guys, what works for 1 minute, the strategy that works for 1 minute charts will not necessarily work in 15 or 1 hour trades. So timing matters. Also understand market hours and volatility. Like trading during major financial events or like the low liquidity periods can lead to unpredictable results. So be careful. Also, of course, you must like test strategies in specific trading sessions. For example, the London session or the New York session, and see what suit your approach best or your strategy best. Also, another important thing when starting trading binary options, guys, avoid broker scams and manipulation. All right, a lot of brokers and platforms. So let me just beautiful. $344. Um, yeah, so my goal is to reach $100,000. But I will try to withdraw a little bit in the next few days. And to withdraw, yeah, look, this one was beautiful, clear and beautiful. So the withdraw, you must have also a strategy to withdraw from this platform. So let me sell first, let me sell, and then we continue up because I believe that the market will go a little bit down. So it's already at the upper band from the Bollinger Bands. The MACD is indicating that I will see a red candle at a side, also indicating a downtrend, but not a big downtrend, just there. And I believe that I'm going there. So this one is also going to be a win. So we are already at $96,403.23. And my goal is to reach $100,000. So as I was saying, guys, avoid broker scams because a lot of them will scam you. They will manipulate the market and try to take your money. So not, I'm not saying not all binary option brokers are scammers, and also not all binary option brokers are legit. So choose a regulated broker to avoid price manipulation and withdrawal issues, especially with withdrawal. Personally, I'm finding like I was finding it hard withdrawing my money from IQ option, from Pocket option, or from Kotext platform. Uh, I was having really hard time withdrawing my money until I found out a way, or I figure out a way to withdraw my money. Beautiful. Yeah. This one is also easy. This was easy, right? This was easy. Red candle, clear red candle. Now I should buy. Now, so see, the market is moving sideways. It's trying to walk away from the upper band and then trying to go up back to the upper band. That's what's going to be happening now. The red or the green candle is going to be more greener, and the buyers which will push the market more. And that's when I guess I will be winning. So yeah. Also, guys, as you can see, I'm making 86% from my initial investment. That's a little bit hard. That's why you must watch out for bonus traps. Some brokers make it hard to withdraw funds if you accept their deposit bonuses. So they will, for example, in deposit they give you $50, and once you make money, they will not let you withdraw anything. So be careful. Um, let's see. I guess I'm not sure, but should we continue? Yeah, I guess we will have another sell position. Yeah, let me just check. Yeah, yeah, this one. Oh, a sell position, of course, a sell. But I guess this will be the last trade. This will be the last trade. Yeah, and as usual, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm making these videos for entertainment purposes only. I'm just trying to educate you about trading, about binary option trading. So you must be careful when trading with real money. That's why I always advise you guys to trade with demo account. Don't use real money if you don't have a good solid strategy. So you must develop your own trading strategy, or you can adapt a strategy that already works for somebody else, and you must test it, back test it, forward test it, try tweaking the indicators that you use, and I guess with time it will be refined in a point where you will make profit instead of making losses. Yeah, so also learn to control your emotions, right? Fear and greed destroy most traders. I guess, yes, red, please be red, please be red. Even with a greener, small greener one, I'm going to be winning, but I want a red. Yes, beautiful. So hope that you enjoyed, guys. And I don't believe that we will have, yeah, I don't believe that we can trade more. That's